around 8:26 p.m. on April 8, 2023. Patrolman Cullen Rutter of the Somerdale Police Department observed a gray 2022 Hyundai Tucson run a stop sign, nearly striking his patrol vehicle near Crestwood Avenue and Kennedy Boulevard. The driver continued toward a public works parking lot, attempting to turn around, before losing control and running off the roadway into a ditch.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. My GPS told me to turn here, but there's a freaking...
Okay. Alright, I would just stop for right now. $31.17.08.
I'm sorry.
No, you're alright. Can you meet me down by the Public Works? A car got stuck in the ditch down here, thinking it was a different turn. You alright? Yeah? You didn't drink anything tonight or anything? No?
I had one beer, yes.
Okay, where at?
Right at Armageddon.
Okay. That's where you were heading from, Armageddon?
Yes, sir.
Yeah? Okay. It looks like your tire's flat, too.
Flat?
Yeah.
Pretty good.
That's what it looks like, yeah. You want to step out real quick?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
The officer approached the vehicle and made contact with the driver, identified as Kirsten Sanders. While speaking with her, he detected the odor of alcohol.
Alright. Yeah. I saw you trying to K-turn, but it looks like you're pretty stuck now. Sorry. You want to come back around this side?
Yes, sir.
And just have a seat for a second?
Yes.
I'm going to go turn my car around real quick, alright? Do you have your license on you? And do you have a registration and insurance for the vehicle as well?
Can I use your light, please?
Yep.
My insurance is on my phone. Is
Okay.
that okay?
Yeah, that works.
My registration is in my car. Can I get that?
Yep.
Oh, my registration.
Alright, yeah, that looks good. And then I just need your license. And your yeah.
That's right.
I'm just gonna copy down your tag, just give me a second. Fine. You just hang tight for a second, I'll be right back.
Nah, I'm okay. You didn't call for one yet?
My GPS told me to make this turn.
I'm I'm assuming you already tried reversing?
Yes, sir. I think it's too steep.
Is that hybrid or something?
No, it's not a hybrid.
Tucson. No, is it all-wheel drive?
It is, yeah. You can try it if you want. I tried multiple times.
Here, give me a second. Hold on. I'm just gonna check and see if your car's all-wheel drive.
Oh.
Because it's weird to me. Downhill brake. I feel like Tucson's are normally all-wheel.
No.
But he said your back wheels.
So.
He said your back wheels weren't spinning. I don't know if it's just because there's no weight. Is this not on the? What's this? No, it's not. I don't need tow regardless, so call for a tow. 31-8 Central. Could you start at 54 to 17 stop? You're 17? Alright, man. This officer smelled an odor of alcohol on you. We're just going to make sure you're good to drive in the first place.
No, yeah, I wasn't Armageddon.
Alright.
I had a cider, yeah.
Alright.
That's fine. I'm just going to check your eyes. Do you have any problems with your eyes other than wearing glasses?
No.
Alright, just see the tip of this pen? I need you to follow with your eyes and your eyes only, alright? Do not move your head, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Do the rest of your test. Good to go.
So, here, you're going to step over here.
Can I put my phone down?
Yeah, you can put your phone down. Alright, so can you imagine a straight line in front of you? Yeah? Okay, so you're going to put your left foot on the line and your right foot heel to toe. So, your right foot like that. Alright, so, no. Go back. Alright, so left foot on the line, right foot heel to toe, arms at your side. Hold that position until I tell you to start. Alright? Alright. So you're going to take a series of 9 steps, counting each one out loud. Go back. I didn't say start yet. So hold that position until I tell you to start, okay? Alright, I'm going to demonstrate it for you. So you're going to take a series of 9 steps, counting each one out loud. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000. As such. So 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000. All the way up till 9. When you get to 9, you're going to turn on your outside foot, taking a series of small steps, and you're going to go back. 9 steps. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000. Do you understand? Okay, you can begin.
1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000, 6 1,000, 7, 8 1,000, 9 1,000. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000, 6 1,000, 7 1,000, 8 1,000, 9 1,000.
same position. You're gonna hold like this, or feet together, toes together, and arms by your side. Hold that position until I tell you to start. All right. So when I say begin, you're gonna lift it, whichever leg you prefer, about 6 inches off the ground, approximately the height of a soda can. All right. And you're gonna stare at the tip of your toe and count by thousands, like you just did, until I tell you to stop. All right. It's gonna be like this: 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, so on and so forth. You understand?
Yes.
Okay, you can begin.
1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000, 6 1,000.
Okay. Huh.
Continue.
Yeah.
Let's
Keep going.
last for 30 seconds.
Based on the observed signs of impairment, Kirsten was asked to step out of the vehicle and perform a series of field sobriety exercises. During the tests, she showed multiple indicators of impairment and was unable to follow instructions consistently. Her performance confirmed the officer's initial observations.
Yeah. What was the number?
68 to 55.
Alright, so you're going to count from 68 to 55 backwards. Alright? Alright, you can begin.
68. Oh,
Yep.
I'm sorry.
No. Yep. 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, 62, 61, 60, 59, 58. How does that? You can begin.
68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, 62, 61, 60, 59, 58, 57, 56, 55,
You can stop.
54.
It was the 58, but
Considering her erratic driving, the odor of alcohol, her admission to drinking, and her inability to complete the tests successfully, the officer determined she was not safe to operate a vehicle. At that point, she was placed under arrest for driving while intoxicated. During the interaction, Kirsten also mentioned that her brother-in-law was a detective with the Camden County Sheriff's Office. However, that did not change the outcome of the investigation.
Are you from Jersey by chance or anything? This is only traffic, it's not a criminal offense, it's just traffic tickets. What's going to happen next is we'll have you drill in the breathalyzer if you agree to do so, and you'll be released tonight. Do you have anybody that can come pick you up that's sober?
My wife gets off of work at 9 o'clock.
Yeah, it's almost 9 now. So what we'll do is when we get you down the station, we'll have you give her a call and have her meet you down here. And she's just got to sign it when you see it.
My brother, you can also inform my brother-in-law.
okay.
He is a detective.
Okay. Alright. Where's he work?
Camden County.
Okay. Alright. Here, you want to come back here with me in my car?
Just so he doesn't get blindsided.
Yeah. Alright, you just want to stand by the back door. You have anything on you?
No, sir.
No? Everything's in your car? Okay.
3118, 17, that's one over here.
Yeah, so we're gonna take you, we'll put you on a breathalyzer, and then we'll get the readings and stuff like that, and then we'll get your charges squared away, and then you'll be on your way as soon as somebody can come pick you up.
Can you explain to me what the charges are?
It's gonna be for DWI.
And how will that affect me?
It's traffic, as I was explaining. It's not like South Carolina. It's only traffic offenses, so it will affect just your driver abstract.
And can you explain that further?
What are you concerned about?
Everything. This is literally my first thing.
It's only traffic, so it really shouldn't affect anything. In other states where it's criminal offenses, it will affect your job application, but this is just traffic in New Jersey. So if somebody runs a criminal background, it shouldn't show up. If somebody does run your driver's abstract, it will show up. So if you have a driving position, it may affect you. But other than that, it normally shouldn't. Does that make sense?
And how long will this be on my record forever?
As I'm saying, it's just traffic, so yeah, it'll always show up as traffic.
I've never even had a traffic violation.
Yeah, it's just traffic. Who's your brother?
My brother-in-law is Pete Menino. He's a detective of the Camden County Sheriff's Department.
Pete Menino.
Yes, sir.
Alright.
I used to have a card, but I stopped carrying it. Honestly, I don't believe in the cards. Because if you're doing something wrong, you're doing something wrong. So.
Alright. I'll try to get a hold of your brother. We got a tow come through the car. Read her the NJ standard guideline form, see what she says, and then we'll go from there.
Okay.
Alright. What do you do for employment?
I'm a therapist, advanced movement therapist at Employer.
You'll be fine. It's not going to affect your job.
It's very hard to believe.
In other states, maybe, but not this state. Like in, I think New Jersey.
Do you know Ancora?
Yeah, I know of Ancora,
Okay.
but I could tell you it's only traffic. So, do you drive for your job?
I don't, but I mean, I understand you're saying traffic, but me being me, it's a lot. So
Yeah.
I understand that
I've
traffic
seen-
is a lot less of a violation than like other things, but this is.
I've had
intense.
DIFUS workers before.
This is intense for me, so.
Yeah, it's not a light situation. I'm not trying to make light of it, but I'm just
Yes,
saying this is one of the better
obviously not
case scenarios that
Yeah.
you're in this state. Because if you're in PA, it's criminal. You're spending the whole night in county. It's a weekend. You probably spend the weekend. You get what I'm saying? So,
Yeah.
but it
So-
shouldn't make light of it.
What's going to happen now?
So he's going to read you a form. It's going to ask you whether you take the breathalyzer test. After that, we'll take the breathalyzer test, and then after the test, we will have you call for somebody to sign a potential liability form, and you'll get a few tickets. That's it. You have a court date. Your first court date will be a rights reading, and they'll tell you to get representation. Let me help him real quick. Get her in so she can get by. I'll give you 1,000 questions.
Following her arrest, Kirsten's vehicle was impounded for a 12-hour hold under John's Law. While inside the patrol car, officers read her the standard statement for motor vehicle operators, and she agreed to provide breath samples. She was then transported to the Stratford Police Department for further testing. The results of the alcotest showed a blood alcohol concentration of 0.16%, double the legal limit.
Oh, I was going back on. What's up?
What's the form called? New Jersey what?
NJ standard statement.
NJ standard statement.
Yeah, NJAG standard statement. Ma'am, all I have is your cell phone. Is there anything else in your car you need?
I mean, my wallet.
Where's your wallet?
It's in my pocket. My keys are in my car. They might be.
Yeah, we have your keys, yeah. Your vehicle's going to be impounded for 12 hours because of John's Law. I'll explain all that to you.
Explain it.
Your vehicle's impounded for 12 hours because of John's Law. The person that you're going to be released to is going to sign a form saying you won't drive for 12 hours. Tomorrow you'll be able to get your vehicle out of impound. Alright? You have your wallet? You mind if I just grab your wallet?
Okay. Yeah.
Anything else on your person?
No, sir. You can check if you need. Yeah.
Not good. Alright. Cody, did you cuff her? Cuff? I saw. Just put them in the front.
You can tighten them in the back.
Huh?
You can tighten them.
Put them in the front. It's fine. We can cuff you in the front. Be more comfortable anyway, right?
I have very small wrist.
Most females do. Yeah. He even double locked them for you. What a nice guy. Got your handcuff key? I can't dig mine out.
I can run right now.
Actually. Grab your brother's number for me.
Yeah.
I wouldn't answer that right now. She's gonna have 1,000 questions. We'll give you time to call her.
Me, personally, no. I'm not. But my...
Yeah, I'll give her a call. Let me fix your cuffs.
I honestly always wish I was.
You almost wish you was what?
I wanted to go into the military when I was 18, but my parents did not allow me.
Myself and their team of guys look them out for removal.
All right.
Thank you.
You good? Read that for him. Oh, yeah, sure thing. If she says yes, take her to Stratford. I'll meet you over there. We'll go over everything else. You got a ticket book? Well, if she says no, then we go to our station. I'm sorry, ma'am. What's your name?
Kirsten?
Kirsten.
Yes, sir.
All right. I spoke with Pete. I let him know everything that's going on. He said he's going to call his sister and let her know what's going on. She's going to meet us at our headquarters in about 45 minutes.
Okay.
All right. Any questions?
I have a lot of questions, but I'll just hold them.
Well, we'll be down there, and you'll be free to talk. You can spit them at me. As soon as this tow truck gets out of the way, we'll get everything moving. All right?
Thank you.
No problem. All good. You all good? Yeah. She answered yes. Just put in there what you were, or said exactly. I'll meet you over there.
I'm 10-1, ending 83.5. You all good? One out.
Good.
We're gonna go right through this door.
You're doing a good job.
Thank you. You're gonna make a right as soon as you get on it.
No, I always want to do it when you guys just hold it. I was in the process of that. I did a vehicle release already. I entered that in property form. So it looks like you had a lot of the reports already done.
I just gotta do. I'm just gonna finish filling out the tickets. Good, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Good.
Hello. So you're signing her out, right? Yep. Here's your ID back. Alright, so just need you to sign here. It's just basically saying you're taking responsibility for her. Her car got impounded for 12 hours. It's state law. So anytime after 8:36 in the morning,
Is it?
you come right back to here for the vehicle release.
Oh, it's here. Okay.
Here's where you get the paperwork, and then you go over to our tow yard,
So I
which is
gotta wait
across
till
town.
Monday because tomorrow's Easter.
Yeah, I mean, if you call them, they would probably let you get it out, but there might be some extra fees, so it's up to you. It might be worth the wait just to wait till Monday.
I'll wait till Monday.
But yeah, this is just saying that she was arrested for drinking and driving. The legal limit in the state of New Jersey is a .08. She blew twice that, 1.6.
What was 0.16?
Yeah, so.
Right here.
Yeah. The form, if you read it, just basically says you're responsible for it. Don't let her drive for
here?
the next 12 hours. Yeah, just that one line.
Oh, just
yeah.
that. Okay.
Yeah. I'll make you a copy of it, okay?
Okay.
She'll be on in like 2-3 minutes, okay?
Okay.
Hopefully.
Copy on that, Connecticut tag. 20 up. Alpha 800-005. That last character after the 00. Can you go with it again? 5.
Okay, so what do you have? One more left to go?
So,
One more left to go?
yeah, this is still.
Good chat.
After the alco test was completed, Kirsten was transported to the Somerdale Police Department for further processing. Once all paperwork was finalized, she was released, pending her court appearance, into the custody of a responsible party who signed a potential liability warning on her behalf. What began as a simple traffic violation quickly escalated into a serious legal situation.
Court record shows that on July 25, 2023, Kirsten was found guilty of driving under the influence. As a result, she was required to complete 12 hours of an intoxicated driver resource center, use an ignition interlock device for 3 months, and pay a total of $640 in fines. The other charges were dismissed as a part of a plea agreement. Situations like this are a reminder. One decision can lead to consequences that follow you for a long time. It may seem like a small choice in the moment, but it can quickly turn into something much bigger. What do you think about this case? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel if you want to see more real life cases like this.